Next program.
Hi, my friends, welcome back. Today, I'm very excited because we are starting our first Scratch lesson together. We will learn how to use Scratch and start coding step by step in a fun and easy way. Are you ready? Let's go.
Let's get started. Anyways, so this is the workspace. This is where you'll do your codes, or you'll get these blocks and put it over here. And there's different types of tabs, like motion, that's for the movement. The looks is for the looks or the saying. The sound is for the sounds. And events, this is where the action will start. Well, you're gonna make your codes come into life. And control, this is where you're gonna have like if and forever and all types of these things. And sensing is like touch. And operators, this is like math blocks. And then variables are like blocks that never change. They are something that never change. Not never change, I mean keep changing. And my blocks, we'll get to that later. So you might be wondering, what is this? This is where your codes, you'll see codes where it will happen, where it will come to life. Like this will move, this will be animated. So yeah, and these ones are for the sprite name. Sprites are these characters. And these are for the coordinates. The coordinates is where the sprite will be. And the show don't show, if I click on this one, the sprite will be hidden. The show, it will show it. The size, you can make it 200 possibly. See, you could make it into a giant or make it normal, like 100. And then the direction you want it to look at is 90. We could possibly do it like this, make it 360, then go back. But like if you want to go back to 90, just type it in. And you might see here there's a cat. So you could choose a sprite and choose character. And then paint, or else paint one. Or surprise, like I think I never tried this before. So let me just do this. Yeah, so choose a random one. So, and upload sprite. Like if you have any images, you could just upload it. Let's say you want to choose a sprite. You have every types of sprites. You have bears, you have ball, you have balloons, you have bananas, you have bell, buttons, and the cat, and Casey, and cake, even dinosaurs. I like the T-Rex, the dinosaur 4, because it reminds me of that old game. So you could also choose a backdrop or possibly paint one, or give you a surprise or upload one. Let's say I want to choose one. So yeah, so looking for one that is like more of a Jurassic, more of a dinosaur park. Yeah, I like that. Anyways, this is the costumes. The costume is like you can make animations out of it. See, like he's doing something. He's standing. His tail he's moving his tail up, and then downwards, but his mouth is a little open. Then he opens his mouth with his tail, like he's gonna eat something. And these are the sounds. It's called pop. See, pop, pop. You could choose another sound or record one, or it could surprise you one, or upload a sound that you made. But you don't need to upload the sound since you already have the record. So surprise. See, you give me C. Elec means electric piano, and it's hitting the C note. Then that's for the sounds. These ones, I think this one will just take you to the normal Scratch page. And settings is for the language and the color mode. File, where you'll like save it or load into your computer. Edit, restore sprite or turn on turbo mode. I've never done this, but I might explain you this on the next video. And there you could change the name and say like Scratch Tour. Then there's the share. You could share it. but I want to go back inside. Not just yet, I'm gonna show you. Then see project page, that'll just bring you back to the place that you make your account or start creating the project. You'll see like many games down below. There's tutorials and debug, but I think share and these will only come up if you made an account, even with this. So if you click on this, you'll have profile, my stuff, which is your project, account settings, or sign up. Okay, here where I told you that I'm gonna explain you what is my blocks. My blocks, you could make any blocks. Let's say like you wanna just do something like random. See, you made your own block. But if you don't want it, you could just remove it like that, taking the thing. Then you might see there's something, I'm gonna go back, you might see this. This is the extensions, which is like, you could add music, which is instruments and drums, and pen, video sensing, face sensing, this is brand new, you could sense with your faces. In text-to-speech, you could make your sprites talk or translate. Makey, which is make anything to a key. Microbit, this is like another website that is kind of like Scratch, but it's like only for designs. And there's Go Direct Force and Acceleration. This is a new one, but I think this is old. And there's these ones, which is very old. These are collaboration with Lego. Never done these before, but I might try them. Anyways, back. And just so you know, this is the zoom out button. And if you just scroll with your mouse, that's how you do it. That's how you go up and down. If you want to go like this and this, just click on it and hold and drag it. And then this, like this will, all of it will be middle. And these ones are making your thingy, your what's it called, the screen much bigger so you can see it more properly. And this is green flag and this is stop. Green flags means start, go, and red means stop, like the traffic light. And this is to make it smaller, make this much bigger, and this to make it much equal. But I would prefer like this. Anyways, you might see here backpack. See here. I've tried this before. You could go to other projects. This will only appear if you have an account. So you could go to other projects, like if you want this specific sprite, just open your backpack, hold the sprite, and put it down here. So that's how you do it, like here. Just wait till it's loads here. See, sprite. So you can close it and hold you to your journey. Anyways, and these are the stage. This is for the backdrops. You could paint them right here. See? Like I could just paint a whole square purple. Anyways, you could also change it. You could make sounds by the backdrop, but I don't normally do that. Anyways, that's it. And you might see here, once you finished everything, you might see save now. That's for saving.
This was our first Scratch lesson. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.